Same.
So today I couldn't connect with Satsang so much, and what has been said, I just cried.
But
a
do you
lot.
know that for a fact? You know that for a fact. How do you know that?
Well,
What do you mean? Do you mean that you could not understand anything?
I couldn't. No, it doesn't mean I couldn't understand. It means that I was not interested. It was clear, like the purity of it, and not conceptual. The purity and the actuality, the reality of it, just too clear. But I was not interested at all. Like as you said, something was completely in resistance. This 99%.
Doesn't matter. So that which could be.
Well, it doesn't matter for me. Maybe it doesn't for you.
No, it doesn't matter for you also. So I'll tell you how. Because the one that could be interested or could not be interested, I'm not interested in that one. I'm interested in your reality, not in your false one.
Well, I'm interested with this.
You are interested in that? So stop it.
I mean, I'm kind of suffering.
What are you suffering from? Suffering right now. Right now you're suffering. Right now you're suffering. Or you're believing a story of suffering. What are you suffering with right now? Now, you're suffering. What are you suffering with right now? I want you to suffer right now and show me. Please, you're smiling too much. Why?
Oh, you and suffer cannot be together, Father. When you go, it will come. Don't worry. But you and it doesn't go together.
Come on, let's see you suffer a bit. Too much laughter. Where is the sufferer? I want to meet the sufferer finally. I've been looking for the sufferer for many years, more than 25 years. Let's see if we can find. Who is the sufferer?
Maybe there is no sufferer, but it's obvious that there is suffering.
It's obvious where? Except your head where? I want it to be obvious in
your... Father, I live with this head. This is my everyday experience. Not every day, of course, just 2 weeks experience, let's say. So, I mean, it's head, but this is how we experience life, This is how I experience life. It's head or it's in the heart, wherever it is, I don't know. But this is how I experience life.
Nobody has ever experienced suffering. You may experience pain, but suffering is something that you work on conceptually. It is not an experience.
Well, maybe it's not suffering. I don't know.
Yeah.
No, it's suffering.
I want to see your nose suffering. I am suffering. You see? So now the entirety of you should suffer. Can I see your nose suffering?
No, entirety of me doesn't suffer. Like the place you have shown, it's just so obvious. It's always here. It doesn't suffer, but I cannot connect with it because I am this. This is just nothing, and this is just purity. But I'm here suffering, like how I experience life. I don't know, like, yeah.
So there is no suffering except in your head. And what you're saying is that the head is very attractive to you right now. Or are you saying the head is forcing you to be with it?
No, it doesn't have this power.
Yeah.
It cannot, but I really connect with it. When he say you don't have money and I mean, when you say something like this, improve me in actuality in life with experience, I just too much with it, like I connect with it.
You use the wrong labels, my dear. What you're calling actuality, you see? What you're calling actuality is what?
How I experience life.
Yes. So you want to talk about the content?
No, it's in interpretation. It's not how I experience.
So you want to solve it in the interpretation or in reality?
In reality.
Reality is already solved.
Okay.
You see, in reality, absent of desire, it's already solved. Desire is the invitation to suffering.
Yeah, desire. But
you want to have desire also and not suffer also. Do you want to have desire also and not suffer also? That is impossible.
Yeah, I don't like it. This is
what is desire? What is desire? What is desire? Desire is a resistance to what is appearing.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. It's a resistance to what is appearing, isn't it? A desire. Because what is appearing is not enough. Something should either come or go from this blob of appearances. Then I'll allow myself to be happy.
Yeah, and
what is getting in the way of your being right now? So that nothing is what you need to be happy. Like Papaji said, you need nothing to be happy. You need that nothing, which you have.
I don't know, Father. Like I at the start, I feel like, okay, I forget. Sorry.
You don't feel like, my dear. You think like. You don't feel like. You think like. So stop thinking like, and meet me here.
Father.
Yeah.
You are really always here. Like background, you are always here. But
and don't hold two hands. If I'm always there, then don't hold two hands. Just hold my hand. And don't allow the mind to tell you, don't allow the mind to tell you your experience of life.
It's just it.
Easy. Your mind is telling you your experience of life. You are not experiencing life firsthand. It is saying, this is your experience. Oh, my experience. This is what is happening in my life. Nonsense.
Yeah.
Because the meaning is nonsense and its interpretation of life is nonsense. So both sides is nonsense. It's like one side is garbage, the other side is also garbage.
Then I don't feel to defend it, because when you speak, it's too clear. And even in general, it's too clear. But why?
Like even right now, who is interpreting what is happening?
I didn't understand.
Did
I interpret or not?
Who is interpreting or determining the nature of what is happening right now? Even when you speak to me, then this happens. Who is saying that?
The one that I take myself as always.
So stop it.
It's just
stop
I
it.
always
stop
take
it.
it.
Stop.
Okay, can I really do this?
No, stop. Now?
No, tell me, can I really do this?
It's done. Now don't start again. Done. Now.
No.
You see, it is the false which takes effort and practice. The truth is just here. That's why I have to win, you see. I have to win because the truth is just here. You see, I can just do this, finish. The mind has to say, but yesterday when this happened, so much work, and I can just do this, done. Who's got the easier job? Because the moment is on my side. Then you say, but Father, what actually when I said, stop. God. You see, God is here. Then the mind comes, egotism comes with the offer, saying, but this is not enough because it's not always like this. Yes, it's not always like this because you buy this stuff. It's like saying that I enjoy the cold. I enjoy the cold. But I don't know, I keep walking into these saunas, man. Just like, I don't know. Nobody can force you in the sauna if you enjoy the cold.
Sorry, I can't understand.
You know the sauna thing? What is the sauna? As this place which has got this steam and really hot. You have these Turkish baths in Turkey. It's just like that. Hot. No? Are they hot springs?
Okay, yeah.
If you enjoy the cold, don't dive in.
Okay.
If you enjoy the presence of God in your heart, don't go to the hell.
Yes, Father, of course I enjoy it. And
Now you're thinking, my dear. I'll see it in your eyes.
yeah, because I want to
No,
solve.
don't solve. Here, stay with me. Come. I'm with you. Stay. Don't figure out. Don't understand. Stay with me. It's okay. You don't see it, but you still can't believe it. You know, all these, if you stop looking at the hand actions and all the tools. You know? Hold one hand, either your mind or mine. You can do it. You want something from both, it's not going to work out well.
Yeah, I think I want something from that.
Have you not suffered enough?
No, but it's offering just feels so attractive.
What is it? What is his offer? I am offering you God right now in your heart.
Yeah, but with God, life is not always easy.
Life is not always God. What is it? What? What is its offer? What's the mind's offer? Some exciting life. What is it?
Yeah, it offers a dream.
Is what?
And it offers a dream, happiness, and all these things, just
God
scenario.
cannot
And I
give
believe
happiness.
it.
God cannot give happiness.
Well, it's something beyond.
Beyond God.
No, that is something beyond happiness, the actuality of happiness.
There's something beyond. No, I'm not. Happiness is a byproduct. You see, is a byproduct. I am talking about your reality as pure being itself, and actually even beyond that as the awareness of this. What can the offer be from the mind that can be greater than that? You see, this is the crunch question for all of you. If you still have something which you want from the personality, from for the personal experience, as it may be called, you see, and you want God at the same time, then it seems like a roller coaster. You see, it's like you want to hold on to the stuff that you think you have personally and also create more room for God to come. I don't want my stuff to go, but I also want God. Wouldn't that be nice? You see? So, but that is the mental way of living. You leave your head. You can do it. Just leave it. Don't go back.
Then just let me say this
Miming Satsang. This one miming Satsang. Just.
No, okay, I will leave it. But just a little but.
This is the problem. Don't believe it. Don't believe it because belief is in your head. You see, so I'm not fighting with your head. Just leave it. Don't believe
it. Has to be silenced a little bit, maybe.
No. Just leave it. You have no problem. Nothing needs to be determined. Nothing needs a solution. Just leave it.
If you promise to take care of it, I will leave it.
No.
No.
Surrender without guarantees, my dear.
This is what I'm saying. I surrender it to you.
No, but if you say take care of it, maybe you didn't mean it that way, but take care of it means that I already know what taking care would be.
No. Or maybe.
You see? And if you did not have that notion, then what was that need of that disclaimer? If you can still determine that, oh, I gave it to father, but he made it worse than better. You see, then that is still from the interpretive mind. If it is Guru Kripa Kevalam, means everything is taken care. How do we know what is taken care of or not? That is like surrendering with one eye open. I'm giving it to you, but please do a good job, okay? I'm watching you. You see, so surrender is not a cheat code. You know, cheat code? You just put it in the game, then all the difficulty goes away from the game. But I would like some money, father. I'd like the best boyfriend. You know, I want the biggest body. And of course, freedom has to come. Now, all of this is your problem. Is that what surrender is? You see? So for surrender, we must surrender the doership and the experiencership.
No, it's like I don't want to suffer at least.
So what are you surrendering to me?
What I'm surrendering to you.
What?
I'm I'm surrendering all these desires, just really, I surrender because it's just something goes ahead of me. Like, I don't know why they are there, but just they have really just such a strength. Father, just really understand me and see me on this, and just please.
Very good. Very good. You did well. Now I want you to surrender a little more because, you know, I'm quite a greedy master. So I want you to surrender even more. So you've surrendered the desire. Now surrender the desirer also.
What it is?
What you take yourself to be, surrender that one also. The one who can have a desire or be empty of desires, surrender that one also. Have nothing to do with that one.
I don't know that one so much.
This one, surrender this one, this I.
Oh, okay. Yeah, happily.
Good. That's
yeah.
That's all I want.
I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy.
That I'm fine now. Whether happy or unhappy is my problem.
No, I just, yeah.
Don't take it back. Don't take that one back. You see?
Okay, my taking back it or not taking back it is your problem.
Yes, but don't take him back.
Father, because I don't know that much so well, I'm not so good to catch it, you know, like desire, I can see it and I can recognize it, but desire, I don't know so well. So
open, headless, open and empty. Everything is mine.
okay, I have nothing other than trust you.
No, not even trust. Just the witnessing. That's all. Just
but I cannot comment.
Just the witnessing, not even trust. I don't want your trust. I just want your witnessing. Just remain as the witnessing. That's all. I don't want trust, mistrust, all these opposite things. I don't want. Nothing. No position at all.
Father.
No. Are you reporting awareness?
No, I just want to speak from witnessing place to see the difference between
No.
this one.
Witnessing space, no reporting is needed. I know what is there in the witnessing place. Don't hold on to any I. Don't hold on to any I, any progress, any state, anything. Whether you are getting it or not, none of that. See, so basically I want something very small. Just everything that appears in the waking state, let that be my problem. Sleep state can be yours. It's fine. You can have that which troubles you in deep sleep. That's all. You can have only that which troubles you in deep sleep. That's all. The rest is my problem.
Yeah, but may it be so.
Huh?
May it be so.
I didn't get you. What?
I said, may it be so. Because
May
we are always speaking and I always surrender something, but this conversation is just so important for me and I really want to see the actuality of it and just the experience of it.
You're still there to want? Give it to me. That one that still wants, give it to me. The one that wants to experience the actuality of it, just give that one to me. What is it still doing there? Didn't you give that one up?
Yeah. Okay, just then what I'm going to do then?
What problem is that?
It's not problem. But I have nothing left to do.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good. That nothing is all that you need. Very good.
Father, thank you so much. Just taking time with me and really, it's just so touching to see every time. Just you give your time for us and just thank you so much for your care. Thank you. Today I pray for this a lot and thank you so much.